Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd touch base really tonight. It's going to be something really simple. It's dark, it's raining. I can't do or haven't had the opportunity to do anything that I wanted to do over the last couple of weeks. I bought quite a few bits and pieces. You might have seen on my latest video. So I've got some tint to do, which I'm going to do on the fog lights, the front lights and the rear lights. So we're going to get that done over hopefully this weekend. I've got some lights to go, light strips to go on the front of the lights. What else have we got? We have got a Gaiter, which I'm going to fit right now. That's something I'm going to do in the car. It's the only thing I can do with the weather like this. So this is what we're going to do tonight. We're going to do the Gaiter. I'm in two minds whether to replace the gear knob. Obviously the ST comes with a leather one around this particular area, although mine has faded slightly along the top. So I bought this sort of PU sort of plastic one, £4 off eBay, bargain, which you can just pop this part out and replace your one with it. So nice and easy. But the the plastic part on the bottom is all corroded, it's all chipped off. Every time I change gear I keep catching my finger on it. So I might actually just utilise this part for the moment. I'm in two minds whether to put the gear knob on or not, as it's not as nice a feel, but we'll have a go at that in a minute. First we're going to get it off. We're going to replace this. This actual outer part doesn't fit the ST. Great, but hopefully the Gaiter will actually, it looks like it will marry up with the one here. So we're going to try and fit the Gaiter. Got a hole in the bottom of my one, so we're going to fit that and make a decision about the gear knob. But let's crack on with that now. So as you can see, here's the current gear knob. This can just pop out at the bottom if you've ever wondered about changing it. So if you just get your fingernail underneath, right at the very bottom, careful to prise it up. Be as careful as you can, and that pops out. So you can replace this part, which as you can see, it's seen better days, it's faded at the top. So I might put that onto the new gear knob. So I'm in two minds, but as you can see with a bit more light, that's kind of a PU sort of rubber effect, PU plastic, in comparison to essentially is a leather one. But yeah, it's all faded along the top here, but it's a nicer feel, so not quite sure what to do yet. I'll leave that back on at the moment. This just obviously pushes back on. Be a little bit careful with it, but yeah, really simple, just pushes back on. So if you do need to remove that and replace that, simple as fingernail underneath, just push up and that will start to come up. Be gentle with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace this for this one. I was hoping it would just be a direct replacement, but the actual silver trim around it is too small, doesn't quite fit. So we're just going to get this off now. We're going to try and get the Gaiter off, although this particular part that holds the Gaiter on is a pain to get off, but we're going to try and get that done. So we're just going to simply twist this. In fact, what we do need to do is pop this out. A little bit difficult with one hand, but we'll try and get that done without damaging anything. Should just pull up, he says, with one hand. Try the other one. Just pull up. Oh, there you go, the Gaiter's gone. Just get the finger underneath there. Just pull, that just pops up. And then we're just going to undo this carefully so we don't break anything or anything more. As you can see here, hole. So we're going to get that done right now. I'm just going to get this off, I think. I'm going to twist this off gently and come back to you in two. Right, twisted that off. It's really simple. Just twist it and then it will just pull off. What we've got now sort out is getting that part off to get the actual Gaiter removed from the the gear knob. So I'm not going to be able to do that with one hand. Actually, I'll show you there. You can see all the trim all the way along there. It's all faded off, and I keep catching on this bit here. So we'll replace that anyway with the spare one from here. I might keep this on for the moment. I mean, it has seen better days. These cost a small fortune online if you want to actually replace proper leather, but it is a nicer feel. But yeah, it has seen better days, to be honest. I'll make a decision about that in a moment. First thing is to get this gaiter off. Let's have a think on that in a second. I'll put that to one side. While I've got this off, I'm just going to show you. This is the short shift. If you've, probably quite a few of us have actually replaced that already, but this is really simple. This is really easy to fit. This is like a 10-15 minute job, probably 10-minute job. The main things are getting these off here at the back, but that just pushes forward. You push that off. Simple. It's that back one there that's a bit of a pain. Let's see if we can get in there. Yeah, again, pull it forward, it pushes off. You put your new part in there, and then you just put it back together. Basically, this is simple as well. This just pulls up. This bit's a little bit awkward to get off, but then you've got your short shift throw on there. So anyway, back to this. Again, I'm just going to work out what I'm going to do. I'll be back with you in a mo. Right, I'm not going to lie, but Ford does not make it easy to get anything off. So basically, this is over here. There was no way of getting that off at all. So in my haste, I pulled it off the old Gaiter, which did make life a little bit easier, and had to prise a screwdriver in underneath and managed to get it done that way. Yeah, absolute nightmare. So anyway, that's off now. We're going to replace the metal trim, get rid of this old one. We're going to replace it with the new. I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep this for the moment. Actually, this is a better fit. So I'm tempted just to replace this, but it's not all lost. Needed a new chrome part anyway. So we've got that. And we're going to try and fit the Gaiter now and complete everything up. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Hopefully we can get that done, get that back on the car, and I can get in the house and get some food because it is getting late. Right, I would like to show you the fact that I've put a new Gaiter in, but I have completely failed. So I'm going to admit it. This does not fit at all. Useless. So I now, not only do I have a hole in my Gaiter that I had before, it's now completely ruined. This is why you don't do stuff late at night. Live, learn. Order a new Gaiter that's going to fit. I've taken the number outside the Gaiter. I hope you're going to find that this evening, get that ordered, because now this looks shit. So complete fuck up. Stressed. I'm done. So there you go, there you have it. Complete fail of replacing the Gaiter. I should have waited. It's late. I'm tired. And maybe I should have measured it up properly first before I attempted it. I'm done. I'm going in. I'm going to go and get some pizza. Peace out.